In today's video, we're going to take a look at a critical support level for the US dollar index, the DXY, as we head into 2024, and this could signal a bit of relief here for the dollar. Hey guys, hope you're doing well. Hope the holidays are treating you well so far. Today's video will be pretty quick because I'm not really feeling too great. We had some family come in over the holidays and one of our nephews was sick, so I'm not really feeling all that hot today. So looking here at the DXY daily time frame, we have the market coming into this area down here at 100.8. So this is what we've talked about a lot in the VIP area, which, by the way, if you guys do want to join us for 70% off lifetime access, see the link at the top of this video. This is a limited time offer that is ending in just a few days, so be sure to check that out. You can also see the link in the description of this video. So anyway, we've been talking about this in the VIP group for a while now. Okay, so you can see that right back here, 100.8 was a critical support for the DXY, where the market was really just ranging between these two levels. Right now, the market broke down back here, and this is what we talked about a lot here on YouTube as the DXY was reclaiming this. We got the retest here as support, the move all the way back here toward the top of this range, and this up here on the weekly chart became another fake out. Okay, so this up here was a fake out, just like this was down here. And sure enough, so far we've had the run all the way back down here toward the range lows. Okay, so you can see where so far today, we are getting a bounce here from the DXY. Now, one thing to consider is that we are seeing some pretty illiquid markets this week, as would be expected, considering that we have Christmas, New Year's, etc., all within this week. So you can see we get candles like this through here, so just very illiquid conditions. Even today's candle was very back and forth throughout the day. So that is the one caution that you have to have here with these markets. Currently, just the lack of liquidity right now in the market. But ultimately, the DXY right now is really just still range bound between 100.8, this level down here, and this area up here, okay, right around 105.80. Now, can the DXY make it all the way back here? Well, what it's going to come down to, like always, is can the DXY start to reclaim some of these key levels like 102? If it reclaims 102, then we're looking at 102.60. If it reclaims 102.60, we're looking at the 2023 open around 103.50, etc. Right? So this is going to be a level by level kind of market. And that's always the case, but it's especially true here with the DXY, just because it has looked weak recently. But again, it is coming into a very critical area down here at 100.8. Now, if this area gives out and we see the DXY instead start to consolidate down here and then close below here and we get a sustained break below this, right? Then this flips to resistance and we could see a run down here at the lows right around 99.6. Okay, so knowing that the DXY moves inversely to pairs like the euro and even the pound, this is going to be one to pay attention to if you are trading those pairs. Okay, so no guarantee, of course, but again, we are seeing a pretty decent bounce here today from this level because this is really a must hold for dollar bulls. If this were to give out again, we're looking at 99.6 for the dollar. And if we see some follow through here, the area right around 102 is going to be the first resistance area. It is going to take a reclaim of that to signal further dollar strength toward 102.60. So in other words, we're going to have to see at least one daily close up here and preferably two to make it a sustained break above to expose levels like 102.60. Okay, so potentially some relief here for the DXY over the coming days toward that 102 area, as long as this area down here right around 100.8 holds up. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys are having a great holiday week. Once again, be careful out there with these conditions. And if you do want to join us in the VIP group, see the link in the description of this video for 70% off lifetime access. Take care out there. Have a great holiday week, and I will talk to you again tomorrow.